start. Zainab, can you tell me what is symmetry?
Mass symmetry is when a shape can be divided into two exact same parts, which are same
Very
in
right.
size, color, and everything like design, everything.
Very good. So, what is that line called which divides the shape into two equal
Line
halves?
symmetry,
Mhm.
and reflection line, mirror
Very
line.
good. Very right. Excellent. So, then what was rotational symmetry?
Ma'am, it's like how many times when you turn an object, the exact same shapes come.
And you turn an object on how many degrees?
On how many degrees?
Mhm.
Like ma'am, it depends. Like how, like if there we have a pan.
Mm. If there is what?
No, ma'am. So like
Mm.
we will divide. Like if we have a square, you'll divide 360 by 4 and you will get 90 degrees. So each time we have to rotate it 90 degrees.
All right. So actually, it is like how many times when you rotate a shape in
Yes.
360 degree, right? In
Yes.
360 degree, that is a whole circle. If you rotate
Yes.
a shape in a whole circle like 360 degree, how many times you will get back the same shape, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So let's start with this question because I think so. First seven questions are included in your syllabus. So let's start with this exercise. So the first question is, which of the following have no lines of symmetry at all? So what do you think? Which shape is this
Ma'am,
in A part?
parallelogram.
So do you know how many line of symmetry parallelogram has?
Ma'am, it doesn't have
Very good. It does not have a line
line
of
of
symmetry.
symmetry.
So parallelogram is the one with zero line of symmetry. So I will
Yes.
circle it. What about this shape? Which shape is
Ma'am,
this?
it is a rectangle and it has two lines of symmetry.
So line of symmetry is
Two.
2. Very good. What about this one?
Ma'am, it's a circle, but it like has a line between it and it has zero because of the design.
That's right. This is also having a zero line of symmetry. What about D part?
Ma'am, it has eight lines of symmetry.
That's right. So line of symmetry is equal to 8.
Eight.
So it means K. Uh, we will not circle this one. What about this one?
Ma'am, it has five.
That's right. So can you tell me the name of the shape also?
Uh, it is a क्या था? Pentagon.
Pentagon. It's a regular pentagon,
Yes, ma'am.
right? And then
Yes.
what is this with 8 corner?
Octagon.
Regular octagon, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And what does this word means regular?
That all of the lines or the sides are equal.
Very good, excellent. Now what about F part? How many lines of symmetry do you think this shape has?
One.
One. And which is that?
Ma'am, the straight
Like a vertical line,
but
line like
yes,
this?
vertical.
Alright. What about G part? What kind of triangle is this?
Ma'am, isosceles.
Not
No,
isosceles. This is a
scaling.
scalene triangle. And how many line of symmetry this would be having?
Zero.
Zero. So this will be circled. Now, what about this one? Is this shape having any line of symmetry?
Yes, ma'am.
Like a horizontal one, like
Yes,
this.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So this is having line of symmetry
One.
equal to 1. Right, very good. What about this one?
It has one vertical.
So 1 vertical, right? So what about this one?
Ma'am, it is 1, 2, 4
Four
or 2. Then one is vertical, then one
space
is horizontal.
like this, and the other is like this. So basically,
Ma'am,
this is our triangle. Nice. This is equilateral triangle.
ma'am,
The line of
one cannot go like horizontal.
oh,
Oh,
that's
sorry,
right. One
yeah,
second, one second. You are right.
horizontal.
Like we can draw like this also,
Yes,
and
ma'am. Then first vertical, then horizontal, and then two diagonal.
so no other line, I believe. One like this,
Yes, ma'am.
one like this, one
Yes,
from this, and one from these.
yes, ma'am.
Is
First,
there any corner which is left? No, no.
no, ma'am.
That's right. It is somehow line of symmetry is four.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, very good. So it's like a square. If I always tell my students to resemble the shape with something else. So this is kind of a square, like if you connect all these corners like this.
Yes, ma'am.
So it's a square. That's why there are four lines of symmetries.
Yes, ma'am.
Right. What about the next one?
Ma'am, zero because it's not a closed shape.
Oh, it's not a closed shape. It's not even a polygon.
Yes,
That's right.
ma'am.
What about this one?
Ma'am, one
One line of symmetry. Very good. And that will be
horizontal.
horizontal. Very good. So now question number two is how many lines of symmetry are there in each of the following shape? So let's quickly discuss. Starting from the first one, what does these lines mean?
That it is an isosceles triangle.
Very good. And how many line of symmetry isosceles triangle is having?
Two,
Sorry?
two,
Not two.
one.
One only, right? So
Yes,
actually you need to memorize uh, the mathematical shapes and their line of symmetry especially. Okay? So equilateral triangle is having three lines of symmetry.
yes, ma'am.
Isosceles is having just one, and that would be the vertical line,
Yes,
right?
ma'am.
Like the vertical
Yes,
line cutting it into two equal lines. And the scalene is not having any
yes,
line of
ma'am.
symmetry, right? So now what about B part?
Ma'am, it has one line of symmetry.
Very good, one line of symmetry. Now what about C part? Can you tell me name of this shape?
Trapezium.
That's right. But what kind of trapezium is this?
Mm,
This is
but
called isosceles
isosceles trapezium.
trapezium, the one which is symmetric on one side. So this is like we can draw one line
Yes,
of
ma'am.
symmetry. There is
Yes,
another trapezium which is like this. This is also a trapezium, right?
yes, ma'am.
Because there are one set of parallel lines. But this trapezium is called because there are
Scale.
perpendicular, na? So there is another name for this, right? So this is isosceles trapezium, which is having one line of symmetry. How
Yes,
many
ma'am.
line of symmetry D part is having?
Three,
Excellent, three, because this is equilateral. So what about E part?
two,
Two. Very good. What about F?
two,
What about G?
two.
Two. Because this is diamond. I will share with you the line of symmetry of all these. What about H part?
Two,
Two. What about I part?
two.
Two. Two?
Yes, ma'am.
Not
One
two.
vertical and one horizontal.
No, no. What about this one? Don't you think the diagonals are also making
Yes, ma'am.
line of symmetry, right? So it's
Yes,
basically it resembles a square. Can you see? It's a
Yeah, yes,
square.
ma'am.
So line of symmetry is
4.
4, right? What about this
Yes,
one?
ma'am. Ma'am, 2.
2. What about last one?
1.
1. Very good. So now the third question is, show with dotted lines the lines of symmetry of each of the following capital letters where it exists. So how many lines of symmetry do you think B is having?
Ma'am, 1.
1. And that would also be like this,
Yes,
right?
ma'am.
What about I?
1.
1, how?
Not 2.
2. 1. I is like a rectangle, one like this and one like this. What about P?
P. Uh, 2.
2. How?
No, no, ma'am. I don't know.
P. So, beta, it's having 0 line of symmetry.
Yeah.
We cannot cut it in two halves. It's
Yes,
a,
ma'am.
and there is a word called it's asymmetric shape,
Yes, ma'am.
right? Asymmetric means it's not very symmetric, it's not very balanced shape. अगर यहाँ पे भी यूं होता तो फिर हम कहते it's symmetric maybe. But now it's asymmetric, like the similarities or is not there. What about X?
2.
So two are definitely. What about the vertical ones? Do you think they are the
Mm. No, ma'am.
why not?
Ma'am.
Why not, Vite? Don't you think this is a line of symmetry?
Yes, ma'am.
What about this one? Like
Yes,
like this.
ma'am.
So basically line of symmetries can be diagonal also, no? It's not like they will always be straight. So
Yes, ma'am.
this is like a square,
Uh,
right? So what about C?
C. 1. 1.
Like the one line of symmetry. So like this, a horizontal line, right?
Yes,
Sorry,
ma'am.
again it is. What about J?
Mm. Ma'am, it has 1.
One how?
Ma'am, 1 like if 2 like this, then there will be a curve on one side and not another. Another.
So then there is zero line of symmetry. If we cut it in this way, then there is a curve below. It's
Yes,
not
ma'am.
there on the top. If we cut it with a vertical line, it is on
Yes.
one side but not on the other side. So it is also
Yes.
asymmetric, right?
Yes.
So what about Q?
0.
0. What about Y?
1.
1 actually like this.
Yes, ma'am.
So 1. What about D?
1.
1. What about K?
Mm, 1.
1 like this. What
Yes,
about
ma'am.
R?
0.
0. It's asymmetric. What about Z?
Mm, 1.
1, which one?
Ma'am, like the horizontally.
Like this or
No.
horizontal?
Yes.
Like if this is Z, so do you think
Yes.
this line is dividing into two equal halves?
No, ma'am, not
Or
like that.
horizontal?
Horizontal.
Like this?
No, ma'am, it's not.
Is it? It's not now. It should be like
No.
this. No?
Yes, ma'am.
So there's zero line of symmetry.
Yes, ma'am.
What about F?
0.
0. What about L?
0.
0. What about U?
2.
2. What about G?
Zero.
0. What about O? O is like oval, not a circle.
Ma'am, one.
Why 1?
Ma'am, like one vertical.
What about a horizontal one?
Yes, ma'am, it could be.
It is basically. This
Yes.
is an oval now. Just look at this. If I put one line like this is also symmetric. And if
Yes.
I put one like this is also symmetric.
Yes,
Right?
ma'am.
So two
Yes.
lines basically. What about V?
One.
One line of symmetry. Right? So now the
Yes.
next part is draw the following diagrams, draw the axes on each. How many lines of symmetry? So what do you think? How many lines of symmetry this A is having?
One vertical and then one horizontal.
So one vertical,
Two.
that's right. So one is like this. Oh, sorry, like this, and
Yes,
one is
ma'am.
like this. Very good.
Yes.
Two lines of symmetry. What about this oval? We have already made it, right? Two lines of symmetry. What about
Yes.
this one? C part.
Ma'am, it also has two.
What about D part?
One.
One is the vertical one.
Yes,
What
ma'am.
about E part?
Three.
Three lines of symmetry. So basically, these sorry, A, B, C parts resemble with a rectangle, right? And rectangle is having two lines of symmetry. This
Yes, ma'am.
C and D part resembles with the
Equilateral triangle.
equilateral triangle. So that's why they are both having
Three
three
lines of
lines of symmetry, right? So you need to see कि with which shape this resembles, and that answer would be your answer. So now what
yes.
about G part?
Ma'am, no lines because it's not a closed shape.
No line because it's not a closed shape.
Ma'am, it's not closed. So, or we can have uh,
Mhm. Line of
one.
symmetry is not a concept of polygon. It's a general
One.
concept. One line of symmetry like this.
Yes.
Like this is the line of
Yes,
symmetry.
ma'am.
What about this part H?
One.
One. What about I part?
Ma'am, two.
Two lines of symmetry. What about J part?
One.
One, which is like this, probably 1 second. Like this.
Horizontal.
Horizontal line. So what about K?
Zero, ma'am.
Why 0? If we divide it like this,
Mm,
is it line of symmetry?
yes.
Like I haven't made it very accurately, but can you have an idea if we draw a line from here to here and something like that?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
isn't it symmetric, right? So one
Yes.
line of symmetry. What about I part?
Two.
Two, one like this
One
and another
horizontal
like
and one vertical.
very good. One horizontal, one vertical. All right. Question number 5 is copy and make each of the following symmetrical
Yes.
about the dotted line. So how to do it?
Ma'am, we draw the
So in the paper,
exact shape.
exact shape, reflective image,
Yes, ma'am.
reflection. So it's like this. Somehow ignore the accuracy like this,
Yes, ma'am.
something like this. So usually this kind of question comes on the grid paper, so you need to draw the exact same image. So do I need to solve all of them or you know
No,
already?
ma'am. Yes, I know, ma'am.
What about this one? E part.
Yes, ma'am.
How
So,
you will draw?
ma'am, so first, like the top one, we'll draw the shape like that,
Like
and
this?
in the bottom one, we'll draw it little longer.
Like this?
Yes.
Alright. So what about this one? So
Let's see.
here this
Yes.
part is higher and in this
So,
side
it will be lower.
will it be lower? How?
No, no, lower or higher.
Like this. Higher. The same distance
Oh,
from here to here. And like this. And like this. So this point here will be reflected here. This point here will be reflected here.
yes, ma'am.
Right? So that's how. So now this also. These dots will be reflected here. And then it is like this.
Yes, ma'am.
Same is the case here. Right? So is the
Yes,
concept clear?
yes, ma'am.
All right. So next question is copy each of the following diagram to make it symmetric. So now there are three part. This is very important topic for O levels also. You might know this. Line of symmetry, reflection, rotation.
Yes, ma'am.
They are all merged up together in O levels. So how do we do it? This is the line of symmetry. So we will count the number of dots here. So one, two, three, four. I will count the number of dots here and I will put this dot. So this point, let's call it A, B, and C. So this point A is reflected here and it become A dash, for example. Are you getting this? Now
Yes,
for
ma'am.
B point. The B point is, if I zoom it a bit,
Five.
B point is 5 squares
Yes.
away. So here,
Yeah.
right?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is A, B, C is same. So this is the reflective image,
Yes, ma'am.
right? So this is how
Yes.
you need to draw. I hope it
Yes.
is clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now this is easy. So you need to mark this point,
Yes, ma'am.
right? So you need to mark
Yes.
this point where this point will go. So four step below, probably here, and then this is here. Then the next point is here. This is here. Now this point. I don't know how much it's blurry, but you need to see how much. I don't know, but let's say this is the point in the reflection, right?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
now
Yes.
after marking all the reflective points, now you need to join them,
Yes, ma'am.
right?
Yes, ma'am.
Here also you can see how far this is, and you can put that, let's say 4 5 6, something like this यहाँ पर है, तो इसको आप इसी तरह sketch कर लें, right बेटे? Are you getting an idea?
Yes, ma'am.
So what about this one, when the line of symmetry is a diagonal line? So how to draw its reflective image?
Ma'am, so like first we'll go how many does like first blocks.
So this time the line of symmetry is diagonal. So you need to
Yes.
see where this line will go. So you need to count squares like this, like this. Oh,
Yes, ma'am.
mm, like if you need to draw image of this point, so you will take this point and draw up a perpendicular. One second, not here, not like this. Here, like you will see how much far that is from the diagonal line. So it's 2.5. So now you will count half, 1.5, and 2.5. So this point is reflected
Yes, ma'am.
here. Like if this is point A, so then this is the reflection of A, right? So
Yes, ma'am.
now let's say this point, this is 1.5. So from here also it is here. So you will connect them like this, right? And then you will draw this point somewhere here. So then you will join these and like are you getting the point? So like if the line of symmetry is diagonal, so then you need to mark reflection of few points to understand it.
Ma'am, what if we like the first line, like the like from is starting from A to the dotted line? We do it like straight, like horizontal. Then
Sorry?
like you have drawn the first line, this
ये
one.
वाली?
No, no, the on the other side you have drawn like from here, this line. You have drawn it
Hmm.
vertical.
Hmm.
So what if we draw it horizontal?
Like this?
No, no, like horizontal. Like
Like
exact same.
how?
No, like ma'am, see the blue line.
Uh-huh.
We draw the from forward. We like extend the blue line.
So like this?
Yes,
Oh.
ma'am. Yes,
So,
ma'am.
but Zainab, do you think that will be the reflection? And then go where?
Then go down.
Down?
Yes,
Like
and
this?
then go. Yes, and
But
then
then
draw.
can you just tilt your mobile or the
Yes, ma'am.
screen you are holding? Can you see the
Yes,
green is basically the image?
yes, ma'am.
Can you see this is the line of symmetry dividing this shape into two equal parts?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay? So if you will go in this direction, that is not a reflection of this image. So that's what I'm saying. When there is a diagonal line, so that is more tricky. So for that, you need to understand, okay, if this is the first point, this is the second point, and that this is the reflection. And how do you know, okay, this is the reflection? You will count the number of squares, right? And then here also, this, let's say this point is B. This is B dash. So this B is 1.5 squares away. Okay, distance kitna hai? 1.5. This is also 1.5 then. Then we will take this also. This. Are you getting this point?
Yes,
You will
ma'am.
put a scale and you will measure the distance of this point straight from this.
Yes, ma'am.
Like यहाँ से. ठीक है? And then you will draw the same point here. And then last of the point is here. Right? So whenever
Yes,
there are diagonals uh, shapes, you need to be very careful. Diagonal line of symmetry, you need to be careful, right? Acha.
yes,
So they are saying that this time the both dotted lines are symmetric. Both dotted lines are symmetric. So what does
yes,
that mean?
ma'am. So both of the lines are symmetrical.
That's right. For example, this was the first image. Then it
Yes,
got
ma'am.
reflected. If this is the image, if this is the object, it got
Yes,
reflected here and then here also and then here also because they are
yes,
all like the mirror lines. So for
yes,
this
ma'am.
now, you will draw a shape here and then you will draw a shape here because this is also image mirror line and then you will draw the shape here. Are you getting this point?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So because all four are line of symmetry. So now for this is now tricky. The reflection here is simple. Okay, you will just draw like this. Now what
Yes,
about the reflection in the downer part, in the
ma'am.
lower
We
part?
will do some dots.
You will leave few dots and then we will draw like this
Yes,
and like
ma'am.
this, right? So
Yes, ma'am.
what about this D part?
I will draw for three circles.
Three circles, like one of the circles here and here and here.
Yes, ma'am.
What about this one, E part?
Um, ma'am will draw like that, and then he will draw like that. Yes,
So like
yes,
that, right?
yes, ma'am.
So what about this one? You will draw one here and then
Yes,
replicate it. it will be here like this, right? So now this one. So you know that you will draw like this, and below also we will draw like this and like that. Are you getting the concept?
Yes, ma'am.
So same is the case here. If you draw this below, like it will be like this,
Yes.
like this maybe at a distance.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
then these two both will be made on this side. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Right? So because the two dotted lines are reflective line or the symmetrical line, so this will happen. It's like they both are mirrors, and definitely there would be a reflection in that mirror. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So some shapes I wanted to show you. Can you see on your screen, Janet?
Yes, ma'am.
So what is this first shape?
Ma'am, it's clear.
It's a square. How many lines of symmetry?
Four.
Line of symmetry is four. And how many? What is the rotational symmetry?
Four.
Rotational symmetry is also of order four. Like for example, if I call this A, this point, so this point will rotate. 1 second, let me download it. So then probably I would be able to edit it, right? So square is having four rotational symmetry. Can you tell me how this rotational symmetry is four?
So, ma'am, if when we like one time we rotate a square and we get the exact same, like we can mark a point where from we start.
Let's say this is the point where we are starting.
Yes.
So when this point will go here, it will be
So,
one
one.
rotational symmetry.
Yes,
Then it
ma'am.
will go here,
It will be two,
two, three, and then
and then when it comes back, four.
four. So Zainab, can the rotational symmetry be zero?
Zero. Yes, ma'am.
How?
Like if both sides have different design, it's like if we have a pen and both sides have different design, then there will be zero.
So don't you think even if the shape is asymmetric, but when it will go back to the original position, it will give you one rotational symmetry,
Yes, ma'am.
right? So can you
Yes.
still see the screen, bete?
No, ma'am.
Oh. So you need to remember this that the rotational symmetry can never be zero, right? The minimum rotational symmetry is one. Why? Because if you rotate a
Yes.
shape, so eventually
Four,
it will get back to
three. Yes.
the original position and it will give you
Yes.
one rotational symmetry. So let's
Yes,
quickly
ma'am.
go through. Rectangle is having how many lines of symmetry?
Ma'am, rectangle is having two lines of symmetry.
Two lines, and the rotation symmetry is also two.
Two.
One time this side goes into this part and then it comes back, right? What about parallelogram? How many lines of symmetry?
Ma'am, it has lines of symmetry zero.
And the rotational symmetry is
And two.
two. So what about equilateral triangle? Rotational symmetry is
Three.
also three, and the lines of symmetry are also
Three.
three. Very good. So what about rhombus?
Rhombus has one. Rhombus has.
Rhombus is like a diamond,
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, it has two.
two lines of symmetry and two rotational symmetry. Correct.
Symmetry.
So what about kite?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Kite is having One line of symmetry,
One line of symmetry.
right? And the rotational symmetry is zero. So, what do you think about a circle?
A circle, it has unlimited lines of symmetry,
That's right.
and
Rotational,
unlimited no, not unlimited rotation.
rotational is also
Unlimited.
unlimited, yeah, infinite, right?
Yes.
So, infinite number of lines of symmetry and infinite number of rotational symmetries,
Okay.
right?
Yes.
So, then we can go through this worksheet. There is only one worksheet here. So, starting from this question. A square has how many lines of symmetry?
Then four.
Four lines of symmetry. Then the second question is equilateral triangle has how many lines of symmetry?
Three.
Three. A line of symmetry divides an image into
Two equal halves.
two equal halves. A scalene triangle has
Zero line.
zero or no. A circle has
Unlimited lines of infinite.
infinite or unlimited. That's right.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
letter H is having how many lines of symmetry?
Two.
Two lines. Very good. Letter H resembles a rectangle. A line is a dash of a figure if the half shapes on either side are congruent. So line is what? Line is a
Line of
mirror
symmetry.
line of symmetry. A line is line of symmetry if the two sides are having same shape. Or there is another name, mirror line,
Mirror line or reflection. Line of reflection.
line of reflection. ठीक है? A dash figure may have more than one line of symmetry.
A regular.
Hmm, regular भी हो सकता है. Very good. So next one is a point is a dash of a figure if the figure maps into itself under the rotation about the point.
Ma'am, axis
Axis.
or rotational axis.
A point is a dash of a figure that figure maps into itself under the rotation of the point. I don't get this. So last is the dash is the number of different ways in a figure can map into itself by rotation,
Order of rotation.
order of rotation. So the point would be center of rotation. Center of rotation and
X.
order.
Yes, order.
Order is the number of different ways. All right. So this you can do.
Yes, ma'am.
You might have done it already. So let's solve, let's say, arrow. How many lines of symmetry arrow is having?
Mm. One.
One. That's right. What about order of rotation symmetry?
Ma'am, one.
One. So what is the angle of rotation?
Ma'am, like the angle we turn the shape or figure tells no.
Right. So angle of rotation is the angle after which the same shape we get back. Right.
Yes.
So it's
Yes.
a measurement like after how many degrees the same shape will be back. So the formula is 360 divided by Order of
Uh,
rotation.
order of rotation.
So 360 by 1, 360 would be the
Yes.
answer. So because there is no, this shape is having only one rotational symmetry, and that also the shape gets when it get back to the original position, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So third question is the given dotted line a number of symmetry?
A line of symmetry, ma'am.
A line of symmetry, yes or no?
Yes. No, ma'am. It's the first one's no.
First one is a no, and then
No.
just give me a minute. First one is a no.
Mm.
Second one is also a
One no.
no. What about third one?
Yes.
Yes. What about
And
D part?
no.
No, that's right. Mm. Right. So what about this question? Reflect each of the following shapes. So we need to draw reflection.
Yes, ma'am.
So let's say how to do this first one.
Ma'am, first we leave first you leave like one square and then start the drawing.
See,
Then we'll
that's right.
go.
Like this, and then one here, and then something
No,
like
ma'am,
this.
it's
Sorry.
wrong. It's wrong. It's wrong.
Oh, oh,
It's wrong.
it's wrong. We will start from here,
Yes,
right?
ma'am.
And then we can go here and here. Is it right now?
Yes, ma'am.
So now what about C1?
See? Oh, oh.
Acha, the
So,
easiest way is that if you mark the points, like if this is A, B, C, and D. So now the reflection of A is two blocks away. So it means this is
yes,
the reflection of
yes,
A. Now reflection of B is four blocks away. So this is
yes,
B,
ma'am.
right? C
Yes,
is how many? Five blocks away.
blocks.
So this is your C dash. And D is three blocks away. So this is D. Oh, sorry, this is D. And now just connect the,
Yes.
right? So this is the easier way.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So do you want me to draw all these or have you done it
No,
already?
ma'am, we have not done it, but I know how to do it.
Yes, you have learned it in grade 5, I believe. Yes.
Yes.
I think very good. All right. So they are saying graph the new position of each point after the given reflection. So where this point A will go if there is a reflection line across y is equal to 2. First of all, where is y is equal to 2?
Y is equal to 2?
It's here. It's a line. Y is equal to 2 is a line. So where y is 2? How to draw this line? Like here is the point where y is 2, right? Can you see the green dot?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is the reflection line, right?
Yes.
So
Yes.
now if this is the reflection line, where A will go?
Okay. Ma'am, right.
Here,
-2. Yes, ma'am.
two step above. So now you will take two step below. This is A bar.
Yes, ma'am.
So now what about B part? B
Ma'am,
part is
uh,
reflection across the y axis. So y axis के across reflection बनाना है. Y axis is your reflection line.
yes.
So M is 3
To the right, so
centimeter away. हाँ जी. So you will draw 3
3
centimeter to the
left.
left, and this will be M bar, for example.
Yes.
So can you do the rest also?
Yes, ma'am. It's
Acha, what about this one?
y
Reflection along the line y is equal to x.
x. So, ma'am, like, mm, so x is
So this is a
uh,
line. Oh, एक minute. Let me
how
draw it again. Sorry.
how will this be the line?
So actually y is equal to x means yeah, whatever is x, that is y also. So like if x is 1, the y is also
One.
1. You will get this point. If x is 2, y is also 2. If x is 3, y is also 3, 4, and the 5. And if you go in this direction, if x is minus 1, y is also minus 1. If x is minus 2, y is equal to minus 2. Are you getting this? Then
Yes,
there
ma'am.
and here. So this will be the line.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay? So this is your reflection line. In this question, this is your mirror line, your reflection line. So
Yes.
you need to reflect n point. So now because the diagonal reflection line is there, so you will count how many blocks are in the middle. Like if you go here, one, two, three, 3.5, right? So now if you go in this direction, half, one, two, three. So n का reflection यहाँ पर आएगा, n bar. Are you getting this point?
Mm. Yes, ma'am.
If the reflection line is a straight line, so then it's very easy. Just form the reflection of that point. But if the mirror line is diagonal, so then you need to think about it a bit, right?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So bete, anything else? बाकी I think so simple है. Y is equal to minus 3 कहाँ पर होगा ज़ैनब?
Y is equal to minus 3. Ma'am, right, like on the minus 3.
This is y is equal to minus
Yes.
3. Just draw a line here.
Yes.
ये आपकी क्या है?
Reflection.
Hmm, right? So any
Yes.
question in this?
No, ma'am.
All right. So now this last question of this worksheet is for each shape, write down order of rotational symmetry. So what is the rotational symmetry of a rectangle?
2.
2. That's right. Because it's a rectangle. So rotational symmetry is 2. What about D part?
4.
4. Because this resembles a uh,
Square.
square. What about this one?
Ma'am, 3.
3. Very right. So now what about B?
B. 4.
4. What about E?
What about E?
E.
1?
1. Rotational symmetry.
Ma'am, 1.
1. When this, if let's call this point A, when A will take this a whole circle and it will
Yes.
come back to this position, so the same shape will be there, right?
Yes.
So it's 1.
Yes.
So what about H part?
2.
2. What about I?
1.
Rotational symmetry.
1 in
1 ही होगा, बिल्कुल ऐसे ही है. So what about C part?
C. 1.
1.
1.
That's right. And the line of symmetry is also
1.
very right. They are both 1. What about F part?
8.
8 lines of symmetry. What about J part?
3.
3. Right? I hope this is clear.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So, bete, before